Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my videos and I'm Yashas. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, I'm a master student at University of Connecticut and I live in a city called Hartford, which is in between New York and Boston. So in this video, I will be showing you how do we return our Amazon parcels here in the United States. Honestly, returning of the parcel is a whole hassle here because it's not as convenient as it is in India. Because in India, in case if we have to schedule a return or a pickup, then in case if we want to return our order, then we schedule a pickup, and people would come to our doorstep and collect the order or pick up the order. But here it does not work that way. So in case if I want to return my order, I have to pack it and I have to take it to 2-3 stores, whichever the app Amazon says me to, and then I have to drop it there. So which is a whole big problem, honestly. So case if I have to return, then I'll have to travel all around. It's almost like 2-3 miles at least from my place. So I had to take a bus and I had to waste at least like 25, at least like 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, I'll just show you in this video how the return and all that looks like here. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. So just done with the return thing. So I got the sticker from them. So this has all the numbers which are related to the tracking of the parcel and all that. So it's just that we will have a QR generated, like when I tell them that I want to return my order. So I'll have a QR which will be generated. So I'll just have to show that QR. They'll scan, they'll take the order and they'll give me the sticker. So that's all, the return is done. And now I'm craving for cake. They also had some work. So I'm thinking I'll go to a Cheesecake factory and then take a cake and then start working. Let's see what happens. I'll see you. Welcome back, guys. So now I am done with my returning the parcel and stuff. So I was craving for something sweet, like real bad. So now I am heading to the Cheesecake Factory to eat one of the very famous Linda's fudge cake. And I'll also tell you how good it is, or is it overhyped, or whatever it is. Let's see. This looks so yum, trust me. Probably I've not seen something more beautiful than this. I'm gonna take a chocolatey part. Yes. Amazing. Like, I have no words. That's probably the best cake I've ever had. It's awesome. Like, trust me, this is the most chocolatey, most delicious, which serve my like real bad sweet cravings. Amazing. And I don't like this part. Welcome back, guys. So the cheesecake was amazing, and that's all for today. So nothing else. So cool. Then I'll see you all guys in my next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.